What is developmental psychology? Developmental psychology is the scientific study of human development across the lifespan. It focuses on the physical, cognitive, and social changes that occur from conception through old age. The field of developmental psychology is concerned with understanding how individuals develop in terms of their biology, psychology, and social interactions, and how these changes impact their behavior, thinking, and emotions. The study of human development can be divided into several different stages, each with its unique developmental milestones. These stages include prenatal development, infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Researchers in developmental psychology use a variety of methods, such as observation, experimentation, and longitudinal studies, to understand how individuals change and develop throughout each of these stages. Prenatal development is the earliest stage of human development, and it begins with fertilization and continues until birth. During this stage, the developing organism undergoes a rapid process of cell division and differentiation, eventually forming the organs and systems of the body. Prenatal development is also marked by the development of the brain, which undergoes a process of neural proliferation, migration, and differentiation. Infancy is the stage of development that occurs from birth to approximately 18 months of age. During this stage, infants undergo significant physical and cognitive changes, including the development of motor skills, language acquisition, and the ability to perceive and interact with the environment. Infancy is also marked by the development of attachment, the emotional bond that forms between infants and their caregivers. Childhood is the stage of development that occurs from approximately 18 months to 12 years of age. During this stage, children continue to develop their cognitive and social skills, including language, reasoning, and social interactions. Childhood is also marked by the emergence of self-concept, the individual's sense of who they are and their place in the world. Adolescence is the stage of development that occurs from approximately 12 years of age to early adulthood. During this stage, individuals experience significant physical and cognitive changes, including the onset of puberty and the development of abstract reasoning and moral reasoning. Adolescence is also marked by the development of identity, the individual's sense of self as distinct from others. Adulthood is the stage of development that occurs from early adulthood to old age. During this stage, individuals continue to develop and change, although at a slower pace than in earlier stages. Adulthood is marked by significant life events, such as career development, marriage, and parenthood, which can impact psychological development and well-being. One of the key areas of research in developmental psychology is the study of how biology and environment interact to shape human development. Researchers investigate how genetic and environmental factors contribute to the development of physical, cognitive, and social abilities, and how these factors interact to influence individual differences in development. Another important area of research in developmental psychology is the study of developmental disorders and disabilities. Researchers in this field work to understand the causes and mechanisms of disorders such as autism, ADHD, and dyslexia, and to develop effective treatments and interventions. Overall, developmental psychology is a multidisciplinary field that seeks to understand the complex and dynamic process of human development across the lifespan. By investigating the biological, cognitive, and social factors that influence development, researchers in this field are advancing our understanding of human psychology and informing policies and interventions to promote healthy development and well-being.